friends, it's your Battle Kitty. Today we're talking about one of the tallest and coolest animals on Earth, the giraffe. Where do they live? Why are they so tall? And how do they eat from the highest trees? Let's jump into the wild world of giraffes.
Today we are going to spend some more time talking about one of the most incredible animals on Earth, the giraffe. Giraffes are famous for their long necks and tall bodies, but there is much more to them than just their height. They are calm, intelligent, and perfectly adapted to the places they live and the food they eat. Giraffes live only in Africa, and they prefer warm, dry areas with lots of open space. You can find them in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands where tall trees grow. These environments are very important for giraffes because they depend on trees for food. Countries like Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Namibia, and Botswana are home to large giraffe populations. Giraffes do not live in jungles or cold regions because they need sunlight, dry weather, and plants that grow tall enough for them to reach. The giraffe's favorite food comes from trees, especially acacia trees. Acacia trees have small, nutritious leaves, but they also have sharp thorns. This is not a problem for giraffes. Their tongues are extremely long, strong, and flexible, and can grow up to 20 inches long. A giraffe uses its tongue to wrap around branches and pull leaves into its mouth while avoiding the thorns. The tongue is dark blue or purple, which helps protect it from sunburn while feeding for many hours every day. Giraffes are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. Besides leaves, they also eat flowers, seed pods, and sometimes fruits. They spend most of their day eating, often up to 16 or even 20 hours. Because their bodies are so large, they need a huge amount of food to survive. Their long neck gives them a big advantage, allowing them to eat leaves that other animals cannot reach. This reduces competition for food and helps giraffes live peacefully, alongside other herbivores. Water is also important, but giraffes do not drink very often. They get much of their water from the leaves they eat. When they do drink, it can be dangerous because they must spread their long legs and lower their head to the ground. This position makes them vulnerable to predators, so they usually drink quickly and stay alert. Giraffes usually live in loose social groups called towers. These groups are friendly and flexible, and giraffes move in and out of them freely. They do not fight much, and most of the time they are peaceful. Sometimes male giraffes gently fight by swinging their necks in a behavior called necking. This is usually a way to show strength, rather than to seriously hurt each other. The environment giraffes live in also helps protect them. Their spotted patterns help them blend into trees and shadows, especially in the soft light of morning and evening. Each giraffe has a unique pattern, just like human fingerprints. These spots also help regulate body temperature by controlling blood flow under the skin. Sadly, giraffes are facing many challenges today. As humans cut down trees and expand cities and farms, giraffes lose their natural habitats. With fewer trees, it becomes harder for them to find enough food. This is why protecting savannas and forests is very important for the future of giraffes. Giraffes teach us how nature creates perfect balance. Their long necks, strong tongues, and calm behavior help them survive in their environment. They live where the land is open, the trees are tall, and the sun is warm. They eat what the land provides and move gracefully through their world. And that is what makes giraffes truly special. Thanks for learning about giraffes with Battle Kitty.